brown girl friendly. She's looking flawless. She's looking natural, and she's looking healthy, and I love that. And this is you know, I'm in Miami where it's over 80 degrees every day. It's like a melting pot. It's always hot, and as you guys know, I'm a real estate agent, and I have to go out and view properties and, you know, make videos for you guys, and I absolutely love it. But it gets so hot, and sometimes your makeup feel like it's melting off your face, and you just like feel like you have this heaviness on your face. And for me, I don't like a heavy foundation like when I'm out in the sun. Maybe a full coverage at night. And I came up with this makeup routine or products that I find just makes my makeup last all day, and it's just amazing. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So my number one thing that you have to do is make sure your skin prep. Skin prep is so important. Make sure you moisturize your skin and get that skin nice and not sticky, but nice and fluffy, where when you touch it you could just feel the softness, and you could just feel like your skin has that moisture that it needs. Because even though you're going out in the sun, you still need moisture. And then the primer that I'm loving right now that really and truly locks in everything is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I kind of like just rub that up on my hands and smooth that on my face. And with anything with primer, you want to give it a couple of minutes to kind of like just settle into the skin. You know, like just press it in and make sure that it's settled into the skin. With this foundation makeup, that's gonna be perfect for summer and perfect for the heat. It's gonna be super simple. The foundation of choice is the Superstay, Maybelline Superstay stick foundation, and I absolutely love stick foundation. It just gives you more of that silky, smooth, you know, like skin finish. And I love that. Like, you want your skin to look, you know, finish good. And I'm just gonna buff that into the skin. And with stick foundation, oh my gosh, it just glides onto the skin and make the skin look so smooth, and I love that. So it's gonna keep on buffing that in circular motion. Remember, we're going for a skin-like finish, you know, summer fresh, hydrated look, and you're definitely gonna get it with this stick foundation. So I'm just putting it around my mouth, on my cheek, you know, maybe brush it down a little bit on the neck, because you know you want to put it on the neck if your neck is not the same. You want to make your neck the same complexion as your face, so like if you take a photo, it doesn't look, you know, not the same, not one. We're going for a one look, but very hydrated, very skin-like, very fresh, very summer vibes. You know that vibes? Yeah. So just want to buff that into the skin, and that looks so good. This brush is flaking a little bit, but you're not gonna worry about that. But look how good that looks. That half of my face looks so fresh and so good. Then I have, oh, so the one that I used first was the 370, and this one is the 356, and I'm gonna use that in the center of my face, because the center of my face is a lot lighter, and anywhere the lights hit, you want to make that lighter. So we're just gonna put that there, and then I'm just gonna buff that in, and I could use the same brush and just stipple that in the center, and that looks so fresh already. Like, honestly, if you don't want to use concealer, you really don't have to. you could definitely go like 2 shades lighter. Okay, this one is like 2 shades lighter than my skin. So if you don't want to use concealer, you really don't have to. But I'm gonna use just a little bit of concealer in that area. And to me, that just looks so healthy and so fresh already. I love it. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty concealer, just a small amount. I don't want to look caked up, and I don't want to look, I just want that fresh, healthy glow. That's what I'm going for. And usually I let the concealer like just sit for a little bit, and I'm just gonna let it just sit for 1 second while I put a little bit of cheek on. And I got this blush, is from Wonder Beauty, and it's a cream blush. Remember, we're going for healthy skin, so I'm just gonna dab this, like smile, and put that on my cheek. And that looks so good already. I absolutely love this blush. For that healthy, fresh skin glow, you want to put a little bit on my nose. And to me, that looks so good. We're gonna add a little bit more blush, but I'm gonna let that sit on the skin while I blend in my concealer. Oh, I love how that looks already. And I'm just patting it in because I just really want this area to be highlighted. And if you hear noises, that's the dog. But I just wanted this area to be like highlighted. And I think that looks so fresh. Just a little bit on my forehead, nothing too much, too crazy. Remember, we're going for that skin-like, fresh, dewy skin, like Mally Magic says, you know, that brown girl dewy skin. That's what we're going for. And I absolutely love the way that looks already. That looks so amazing already. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit more blush because Florida, and you know, the sunshine, you just want to hit that cheek like nice and pretty. You want to get that nice, you know, super rosy cheek. And I love that, and that looks amazing. And I'm just gonna tap just a little bit on my eyelid, you know, just to kind of like just tie in everything together. That looks nice. I like that a lot. Because we're not gonna do any eyeshadow, nothing like that. We just, you know, cheeks, skin. It's gonna be all about the skin. I want to get off those little brush hair. That thing is really bothering me, the brush hair. And now we're just gonna contour a little. And I have another cream foundation. And this one is from, I forgot what it's from, but it's like a brown. I'm just gonna contour just a little. The writing kind of rub off of that, so I can't really see it, but I'm just gonna contour just a little, you know, a little bit on the nose, right here, and in here. You know, give me that fresh. Oh, I just love how everything I look so far. Look so good, so fresh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use the Skin Finish. Remember, I'm using MAC Skin Finish. These are so amazing. So I have the golden, dark golden, dark, and deep dark. So, oops, sorry. Deep dark is going to be around the face. So I'm going to press the deep dark around the face, like just to set it in, you know, just to make it, just to set it in. And to me, that looks amazing. Do a little bit on the forehead. Fresh skin, fresh glow. So I'm gonna use the dark golden and kind of like just set underneath my eyes. And we're just running through this. I'm not even cutting for no editing. We're just running through this, you know, give you that fresh skin in like 10 minutes. I honestly, 10 minutes. Well, I'm up to 10 minutes right now. And to me, that looks amazing. Look at that. That looks so good. I love it. I'm gonna put on my CoverGirl lip stain on, and we're keeping it natural, fresh, summer vibes, beach vibes. You know, you're on the boat or you're on the water, you're on the beach, you're showing properties, whatever you're doing. It's summer and we want to be fresh, cute, looking good. I just got this lip plumper from Doral, and I'm gonna top that on top of that and make it a vibe. So I add the mascara, put a little bit of blush, or the liquid blush, that cream blush, on my lip, and with the same lip gloss, and that is it. I think my skin looks super fresh, super healthy, brown girl friendly. She's looking flawless, she's looking natural, and she's looking healthy, and I love that. And this is a perfect makeup, I feel like, if you're going on a boat, if you're going, you know, you just want to be like fresh and giving that summer vibes look. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, I'm Carsa Cardeen, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do videos on a luxury real estate, showing you beautiful properties in Miami. And I love fashion, I love lifestyle, I love makeup, I love it all, and I want to show you all. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And guess what, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.